Okay, now we're going to look at graphing lines with m and b. So if the equation is in y equals mx plus b form, then we're going to graph using m and b. To do that, we use b as a starting point, do the rise over the run to get the second point, and then connect to make the line. So let's look at some examples. So in the first example, we've got y equals 2/3 x minus 5. Again, it's in slope-intercept form because the y is by itself. So that means the number in front of x is m and the negative 5 is b. So again, the b is our starting point. So I start at negative 5 on the y-axis because it's the y-intercept. Then again, we got rise over run. So from the starting point, I'm going to rise 2 and run 3 to get my next point. Then I grab a straight edge and connect them. So example 2, y equals negative 3x plus 4. Again, in slope-intercept form, the y is by itself. So I got m and I got b. Again, b is the starting point. So I start at 4 on the y-axis. Now, m is negative 3. Keep in mind, negative 3 is the same thing as negative 3 over 1. So since it's negative 3, I'm going to go down 3 to the right 1. Then connect them. Again, I always go to the right. I just let the negative tell me to go down to the right. If it's positive, I go up and to the right. Okay, a couple more on this. Example 3, y equals x plus 2. Again, it's in slope-intercept form, so m is the number in front of x. Now, even though there's not a number there, there's an imaginary 1. And b is the y-intercept, which is 2. So I start at 2. Since m is 1 or 1 over 1, I go up 1 over 1 to get my next point. Then I draw my line. Okay, here y equals negative 3/4 x minus 1. Again, it's in slope-intercept form. So m is negative 3 over 4. B is negative 1. So I start at negative 1 on the y-axis. Since it's negative 3 over 4, I go down 3 to the right 4 to get my other point. And then I connect that to get the graph.